Hi guys! Today I am getting ready to go to Mother's Day dinner with my 3 children, and we're gonna go have Japanese food. That is my absolute favorite, and we're gonna sit at the hibachi. And because I'll be posting this video after Mother's Day, I just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all of you moms out there. I hope you had an amazing day with your kids and with your moms, and Happy Mother's Day. So I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. I always do my foundation right out of the shower because my skin is hydrated and I put my serums on. So as soon as I put my serums on, I like to get my foundation on, and it really keeps the moisture in. I'm gonna use my Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Roller. So I'm not sure if I'm going to film today or just take pictures, but either way I will put some pictures or footage for you guys in this video of Mother's Day dinner. So everything that I'm using today, all the makeup and my outfit, I will link below in the description box. So if I'm not mentioning the name of makeup or anything, I'll have everything linked below. I'm using just a little bit of bronzer. This is my Physicians Formula bronzer. Next, I'm using my Milani Luminoso blush. We're gonna go peachy today. I'm using my Revlon translucent powder to blend that in. And just a clean brush. I'm just making sure there's no foundation on my lips. All right, so I'm going to mix 3 Revlon COLORSTAY colors. First, I'm gonna use Faithful Fawn, then Infinite Apricot, then Never Ending Nude. This Faithful Fawn color works really good to align my lips. Then this is Infinite Apricot. And adding the Never Ending Nude. I'm going to curl my eyelashes because my lash lift and tint has completely worn off, so my eyelashes are totally straight right now, and when they're curled they just look so much better. It's like they're hiding when they're straight. You can't even see them, they go straight out, but they're pretty long as they're curled up. I also use black Jamaican castor oil every night before I go to bed on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I just take a Q-tip and I rub my brows and my lashes so it helps them grow. I'm using my Moonlight Pearls highlighter. Love. For eyes, I'm using the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I'm starting with this orangey brown color. Then I'm using this color, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. And I'm going into the corner of my eye and under my eyebrow with this highlight. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Never Ending Nude. For liner, I'm going to use the Maybelline in Blue. And the last video I did, I had a problem with the tip drying out, and it was brand new, so hopefully this will work. And it was just a fluke that the other one was not working. Oh, so far so good. Oh, now it's drying out already. I just don't understand. Such a bummer because their colors are beautiful. It's drying out already. Bummer. If you guys have any tricks to get this to work, I know I asked you last time, and one of you had said to take the actual tip out to get the product down, but it just seems like a heck of a lot of work. When you buy an eyeliner, it should be working, right? Oh, there we go. That seemed to work. It worked. I'm gonna use the same orange color underneath, the matte orange. You see this splattering all over my palette? When I was shaking this, it sprayed out. That is crazy, you guys. Like, what is up with this eyeliner? I'm so bummed because I love their colors. It got everywhere. All right, so I'm going to use this color again on the inner bottom corner of my eye, just right there. Then for mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes in Blackest Black. And I'm going to add some gloss. This lip color will not budge all night, even when I'm chowing down on Japanese food. And a little setting spray. Okay, I'm just going to do my hair and then I'm off to meet the kids, and keep watching to see some pictures or footage from Mother's Day. Again, happy Mother's Day to everyone. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Be I can be